Today is Saturday, January 26th at the NADA show, and we've got a jam-packed day lined up for you. Use the NADA show app to locate your dealer franchise meetings and workshops. Women in automotive are celebrated at the Women Dealers Luncheon. We can't wait to laugh today at our general session with Dana Carvey live. Don't forget to explore the expo floor spanning 3 different halls and visit the lifestyle experience where you can relax with a massage and even get your nails done. I'm Maggie Clark, and thank you for joining us at NADA Show 2019 here in the city by the bay.
New car dealerships trust us with millions of dollars of their used car inventory. ACV is a more convenient and transparent version of the traditional auction. We save dealerships time, money, and we help them move inventory.
You're so welcome.
It's all about trust.